Welcome to our preview of the highly anticipated iPad mini 7. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Apple's upcoming compact tablet, including its release date, design, display, performance, connectivity, camera, and additional features. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or considering an upgrade, stay tuned for all the details. The iPad mini 7 is expected to be announced on October 28, 2024 during Apple's much-awaited event. If you're eager to get your hands on this new device, mark your calendars for the first week of November 2024, as that's when it's likely to hit the shelves. In terms of design, the iPad mini 7 will maintain a similar form factor to its predecessor, the iPad mini 6. However, Apple is expected to make some improvements to the display technology to address the issue that affected the previous model. The display will likely remain an LCD panel with a 60Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. When it comes to performance, the iPad mini 7 is set to make a significant leap forward. It's expected to feature either the A17 Bionic chip or the M1 chip, both of which promise substantial improvements in speed and efficiency. This upgrade will not only enhance everyday tasks, but also make the device ready for future Apple Intelligence features. Additionally, the base storage is likely to be increased to 128 GB, providing more space for apps, photos, and other content. The iPad mini 7 will also see upgrades in connectivity and charging. It will support Wi-Fi 6E, offering faster Wi-Fi speeds and improved performance in crowded networks. Bluetooth 5.3 will be included for better latency and bandwidth, enhancing the overall connectivity experience. The device will retain the USB-C port, which is expected to support faster charging, possibly up to 25W or 30W. However, MagSafe charging is not anticipated to be part of this model. In terms of the camera system, the iPad mini 7 will receive some upgrades, although the exact details are still under wraps. The selfie camera will remain in portrait orientation, which is great for video calls and selfies. Touch ID will continue to be integrated into the power button, providing a secure and convenient way to unlock the device and authenticate purchases. For those who love using the Apple Pencil, the iPad mini 7 will support the Apple Pencil 2, offering a seamless experience for drawing, note-taking, and more. However, support for the Apple Pencil Pro is unlikely. Additionally, there are no indications that a keyboard accessory will be available for the iPad mini 7, so users looking for a more laptop-like experience might need to look at other models. Apple is expected to introduce new, playful pastel colors for the iPad mini 7, adding a fresh and fun aesthetic to the device. These new color options will likely appeal to a wide range of users looking for a tablet that matches their personal style. While the iPad mini 7 brings many exciting updates, there are a few features that will not be included. Face ID will not be available on this model, and the display will not have a 120Hz promotion refresh rate. These omissions might be disappointing for some, but the overall package still offers a lot to look forward to. To wrap up, the iPad mini 7 is shaping up to be a compelling upgrade with its improved performance, enhanced connectivity, and new design features. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions about the iPad mini 7. Share your comments below and let us know what you think.